guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the diesel generator to charge the hybrid inverter. Now I'm going to start the diesel generator. Okay, let's do it. Connect to the diesel generator, and this port is diesel generator, and at this moment the PV, the solar power is 0, and the grid power is 0, and the load power is 0, and the battery is discharging power the system. Okay, I will turn on the diesel generator here and click GN charge. It means use the diesel generator charge the battery. Okay, and place here. Okay, let's return to the LCD. Okay, I hear a voice. The relay is switch on, and the LCD there was an icon. This icon means the diesel generator, and as you can see, it charging the battery. And let's see the power. It shows charge, and the power is 800 volts, and it still increase. Now it's 1000 volts. So here is the. Okay, this is all.